Ever heard someone say, "Don't heat honey, it destroys all the nutrients"? Sounds scary, but how true is it? Raw honey isn't just sugar. It contains enzymes, antioxidants, and natural compounds that give it those health perks people love talking about. Here's the catch. Those delicate enzymes don't like heat. They start to break down at around 40 degrees Celsius, and higher temperatures for longer periods can reduce them even more. So yes, excessive heat over time can lower some of honey's beneficial enzymes. But before you panic, adding honey to warm tea or spreading it on warm toast doesn't instantly turn it into useless syrup. The heat exposure is usually brief, and honey still keeps its natural sugars, minerals, and energy value. The real nutrient loss happens when honey is heavily processed or exposed to high heat for long periods, which is more common in commercial production than in your kitchen. So no, you're not poisoning your honey. But if you want to keep more of its natural goodness, avoid boiling it. Warm is fine. Boiling, that's where honey starts to lose its magic.